Are you looking to see if Ipsos iSay is worth your time? If you are, then you're in the right place, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the information you need so you can decide for yourself if it's worth your time or not. First, let's talk about who can join. Ipsos iSay is worldwide, and these seem to be all of the countries that can join. They've got countries from Europe, North America, Latin America, and the Caribbean, Middle East and North Africa, Asia Pacific, and South Africa. You can pause the video to see if your country is on the list. So what exactly is Ipsos iSay and how does it work? Ipsos iSay is an online survey rewards community, and how it works is you can sign up and make a free account. Then they'll ask you a few questions to fill out your profile, and you're going to want to fill it out correctly, because this will make a huge difference with Ipsos iSay recommending the right surveys for you. After the sign-up process, you can choose from the recommended surveys and share your opinions to get rewarded with points. Every 100 points is equal to $1. Once you've collected enough points, you can then redeem those points for a reward. Ipsos iSay is one of my favorite survey sites because I've only been disqualified from a survey twice. As long as you fill out your profile correctly, you should be matched with the right surveys, so the chances of you getting disqualified are low. You won't find a crazy amount of surveys here, but you'll get matched with surveys you're most likely to qualify for. When it comes to how much these surveys pay, you can expect to earn anywhere from 50 cents to $1.75 per survey depending on the length of the survey. The surveys I've seen range between 8 minutes to 30 minutes long. You'll be able to see how long a survey is and how much it pays before you decide if you want to take it. Ipsos iSay also offers live studies. Live studies are a special type of research where you can participate in pre-scheduled live chat sessions, complete interactive surveys simultaneously with other members. Then, you can potentially participate in a follow-up live video session. During these live studies, you will be sharing your thoughts on household items, pet products, cosmetics, frozen foods, advertising, and much more. These types of surveys will pay more, but you might be wondering, how do you qualify for live studies? You need to keep your profile up to date and take surveys daily for a chance to qualify for live studies. If you qualify, you'll be invited to participate in a scheduled session. Then, you can join the live chat session, and after, you have a chance to get invited to a follow-up live video session for a more in-depth conversation. Another way to earn with Ipsos iSay is with product testing. Product testing is a special type of study where you get to try new or existing products before they hit the shelves. Then you'll share your experience by taking a follow-up survey. On top of earning points from the survey, you get to keep the product for free. Keeping your profile updated will increase your chances of qualifying for product testing surveys. Once you qualify and are selected, you will receive the product along with detailed instructions. Then you get to test the product. After testing the product, you get to share your opinion in a follow-up survey and get rewarded. When it comes to redeeming your points, your rewards will be different depending on what country you're from. If you're from Canada like I am, you'll have the options of Ultimate Dining, iTunes, Starbucks, Visa, Tim Hortons, Indigo, Walmart, Amazon, and PayPal. If you're from the United States and you're a fan of gaming, there's Roblox and EA, and sometimes there's Nintendo, PlayStation, and Xbox gift cards. You also have the option of redeeming Amazon, Dunkin' Donuts, Subway, Domino's, Apple, Starbucks, Visa, Walmart, Target, and PayPal. If you live outside of Canada and the United States, look to the top right of the screen and click on where it shows the country and language. Now you can select the country you're from, and once you've done that, click on Rewards, and you'll see all of the options you can choose from to redeem. Here are a few important things to know. Gift cards and prepaid cards are delivered instantly to the email address associated with your Ipsos iSay account. PayPal funds will be delivered via email within 3 to 4 weeks of ordering and require a valid PayPal account. I redeemed using PayPal, and it did not take that long. It took 8 days to show up in my account. Gift cards and prepaid cards do expire, and prepaid cards need to be registered at this website prior to using. I recommend taking a look at the frequently asked questions before redeeming a prepaid card. Can the points you earn expire? Your points don't expire as long as you remain an active member of Ipsos iSay. This does not mean you have to do surveys every day. It just means don't let months go by without taking a few surveys to stay on the safe side. Ipsos iSay is legit, and it's one of the better survey sites out there in my opinion. It has other ways of earning by doing live sessions and product testing which other sites don't offer. It's also one of the least annoying survey sites I've used, not having to worry about getting disqualified from a lot of surveys. And you can cash out with PayPal from as little as $5. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes. If you're looking for survey sites that are worth your time, I recommend Ipsos iSay. I'll have the link to Ipsos iSay and other earning sites I use down in the description, so be sure to check that out. If you want to see the 5 sites I use daily to make money online, check out the video on the left. And if you want to learn how to make a full-time income selling digital products, check out the video on the right. And if you appreciate me taking the time to make this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel to see what sites are worth it and what sites are a waste of time. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.